In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up bill approval workflows in QuickBooks Online. This process is designed to give you more control and transparency over your business expenses, allowing for a smoother financial operation and ensuring that every bill passes through the appropriate checks before it's paid. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Workflow Automation section. To do this, look on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Clicking on Workflow Automation is your entryway to organizing, customizing, and controlling various tasks that recur in your accounting needs. Once there, let's turn our attention to the My Workflows tab. This is where you'll find an overview of all the workflows you've established previously. It's like your central command center for keeping track of what processes are currently automated. As you glance through this section, you might notice existing workflows that are already helping you manage your tasks. However, today we're focused on creating something new. To start this process, look for the Custom Workflow button situated in the top right corner. Clicking on this button will allow us to add a new custom workflow tailored specifically for bill approval. When you select this option, you'll need to choose Approval as our type of workflow, since we're specifically focused on bill approvals today. The beauty of QuickBooks Online lies in its user-friendly interface, and you'll see that they already provide a built-in template and structure for the task at hand. This streamlines the setup process significantly, lowering the barrier for entry even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. Next, you'll need to assign who will approve the bills in this workflow. Think about who in your organization is responsible for this task, whether it be a department head, manager, or even yourself. Ensure that the approver is someone who understands the financial strategies and constraints of your business so they can make informed decisions. Following that, we'll replace the filler values presented in the automation template with the specifics of your operations, things like the names, limits, or conditions unique to your business environment. Additionally, personalize your workflow by giving it a name that reflects its function, so it's easily identifiable at a glance. Finally, after filling in all the necessary details and double-checking them for accuracy, click Save at the bottom right corner of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a bill approval workflow in QuickBooks Online. This new automation is now an active part of your financial management toolkit, helping ensure bills receive the appropriate scrutiny before being paid out. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this new feature makes managing your business's bills more straightforward and efficient.